Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today I have a quick video for you to show you how to access the hidden menu in your 2020 Supra. And this is something that is useful if you're doing performance driving. You can monitor additional temperatures. One of the pet peeves of the Supra I have is very few performance gauges. We got the coolant, bar graph, and that's about it. I guess I could mention the gimmicky sport gauges that show you power and torque level. So that's very useful for us. But very disappointed in not having oil pressure, not having oil temp, and a variety of other things that sports cars typically give you these days. But we could solve some of that by accessing the hidden menu. You'll get your digital coolant temp and digital oil temp at least. And those will be shown in Celsius, but at least they're there nonetheless. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, you do have to have your vehicle running. So go ahead and start it up. And then let everything clear. And then what you're gonna do, you have to find the reset button for your tachometer in the bottom left corner, right below the fuel gauge. It's probably a little dark here to see it, but it is right there. And you're gonna wanna press and hold that a while. If you just press and hold it shortly, you'll clear your trip odometer. So you don't wanna do that. Just press and hold, which I'm pressing now, and eventually you'll get the hidden menu. But there's a couple other things you're gonna need. Your last 6 digits of your VIN number. And as you can see here, here's the menu. That's gonna be your passcode, the 6 digits of your VIN number. So let me go down here. This is also how you get to dyno mode if you ever dyno your vehicle. So you have to unlock it. So just keep pressing that button until you get to unlock, and then hold it down again. And then you're gonna need to enter your code. And in my case, it's 19. Again, you add up the last 6 digits of your VIN. Okay, 19, and then you're gonna press and hold again. So it's unlocked. Here it is, temperature. So now you're gonna press and hold again. And finally, you get your coolant, oil temps, the bottom two, in Celsius. And that is useful. I used it on my POV video for my Tail of the Dragon trip, if you wanna check that out. And it did display, all temps were acceptable range, so that's good. Haven't had it on the racetrack yet, but we'll soon, and I'll be putting this menu up when I'm on the racetrack. Now, unfortunately, you have to do this every time you start and stop the vehicle. It clears it after you shut it off. So just remember your passcode, and it's not too bad once you get the hang of it, but it is a little bit annoying. So, all right, hope that was useful for you guys. Definitely check out more Supra videos on the channel. Also, if you have a chance, check out Jay A's channel. He came to visit me recently and took a ride in my Supra and was pretty impressed with it. He was surprisingly impressed by it. So go check out that video and see what his thoughts are on my 2020 Supra. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Comment below if you use this feature. Take care.